Hello, 911.
Hello? Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Hello?
Hello? This is the Quaker County Sheriff's Office.
Hi. I'm stuck. I'm in an ambush. I'm not in an ambush. There's no one here. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm stuck in a dangerous place, and I will be killed.
2022년 6월 10일 오후 11시 21분 조용했던 밤에 클리어 크릭 카운티 보안관서로 차에 갇혔다는 한 남성의 전화가 걸려왔습니다. 그런데 죽을 거라는 말을 하는데요. 무슨 일인지 더 들어보겠습니다.
Are you in a vehicle?
I'm in a vehicle. My vehicle got stuck in a really bad
Okay.
way. Can you track my phone right now?
I am trying to get my phone to pull you up.
Hey, I need immediate assistance, please.
Okay, yeah.
Appreciate it.
What
I'm
kind of
doing
vehicle
well.
are you in?
My doors are locked. I'm in a 2007 Honda Pilot. I've got my protection crystal on me. I should be fine, and you will be fine if you get here or somebody else. But I will not be fine on my own.
크리스탈이 자신을 지켜주고 있으니 괜찮다고 말하는 신고자. 그가 말하는 걸 쭉 들어봐서 느끼셨겠지만 더듬거리고 뭔가 이상한 느낌이 듭니다. 장난 전화, 뭐 그런 것이었을까요?
Okay, what's going on? Is there somebody there? Is there...
Ma'am, there's nobody here. I had a spiritual awakening a few months ago and came out of my 10 years of depression, and I've just been, come please help. That's not good sign. What's that be?
Okay, so you said your car was stuck?
Wow, that's not a good sign. Yes, please.
Okay, so your car is stuck?
Yes, my car is stuck. Could you please, you're sending someone, right? You've tracked my location? I'm in it. So my car...
Yeah, we have your location.
So it's a bush. So it's
Okay.
a bush, right? And my car
Is your phone number this?
under the bush.
Okay,
me,
and
right?
what's your name?
My name's Christian James Gloss.
Christian Groff?
James Gloss. Glass is my last name.
C-L-A-S-S. Okay.
How far out is help? How
Give me-
far out is help, madam?
Give me just a second. We're radioing right now, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. I understood that pause. That I would be acting this way with a male officer as well. I apologize.
Okay. Okay, yeah, no, it's
very
okay.
upset. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I love you, seriously. You're my light right now. I love you. Oh, man.
Okay.
I'm really scared. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's why
Are you on the side of a mountain? Or are you in
no.
town?
It's a town. It's a dodgy back
Okay.
town. It's a rest stop that kind of turns into a town at the end of it. Oh,
Okay.
They're coming back. How close are you?
Okay,
Oh,
our
okay.
officers are a little bit
I'm
away.
gonna have to kill some skinwalkers. Can you stay on the phone with me?
스킨워커를 죽여야 할 것 같다고 말하는 남성. 분명히 일반적인 대화를 하는 것 같지는 않습니다. 그걸 가장 잘 느끼고 있는 사람은 전화를 받고 있는 저 여성일 테죠. 참고로 스킨워커는 미국 원주민 나바오족에게 전승되고 유래되어 알려진 늑대인간처럼 생긴 반인 반수의 미신적인 존재입니다. 우리나라의 도깨비 같은 존재라고 보시면 되겠네요.
Are you able to drive?
No, I'm stuck. Do you know what a skinwalker is, madam? I'm sorry I'm using the word madam. That's clearly not something you like. They might just go by. I might be lucky.
Okay, can I get your date of birth real quick?
I'm so lucky. Oh, I'm so lucky.
Christian?
I was born the 3rd day of January, 2000.
Okay.
Oh, I am so lucky. Get calls at this location a lot?
No, not really. What happened just before you called?
I was following... So I was going to drive up into my spot in the mountains because I need to relax for tonight. I really do. And there's been a lot of bad drivers on the road recently, so I've been just driving around, kind of cruising the left lane about the speed limit, and then I'll find people going about 40 miles an hour, and they try to swerve to hit you. And I've just been keeping my safe distance behind these people and using my crystals to drain the negativity out of them so that they don't do that anymore.
Okay, so they tried to hit you with their car?
Yes.
Okay.
I've had 3 separate cars do that. And I followed this one car because they exited right after they tried to do it. and I was worried he was exiting to get back onto the highway to do it to somebody else. So I followed him, and he pulled me into the back of the stupid up town, and I tried to pull a Yui, and I should have stopped and pulled a 3-point, but I didn't pull a 3-point, and I drove straight into a bush that has a trap in it. And you'll see when you get here, there's literally a trap hidden under a bush.
Oh, okay.
계속 들어보셔서 아시겠지만 교환원은 계속해서 피식 웃고 있습니다. 스킨워커나 크리스탈 같은 얘기를 하며 횡설수설하고 있으니 조금 난감하여 웃음이 나오는 것 같군요. 장난 전화하지 마세요 라고 끌어버릴 수도 없는 노릇이니 이해가 갑니다.
It's so terrifying. Like this place is. I'm so scared.
Okay.
I love you for being here with me through this. Thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome. We do have officers en route. Can you tell me what kind of car they were driving?
What? A white. What do you call it? A Volkswagen type? No, just not a sedan, but it's got like a hatchback. That's what you call that, right?
Okay.
Like a. Right?
A Volkswagen hatchback type?
I can explain the car. It's like the back of the car stays kind of up and rounded, like there's a bigger trunk.
That's a hatchback.
Right, thank you. Okay, so a white hatchback, and I think it was a Mazda. Not 100% certain. Might have been a Mazda. I think like that. That's what I'm remembering.
Okay.
And the red truck. The red truck's back.
Are there any weapons that you're aware of?
I have a weapon on me. I will throw them out the window as soon as an officer gets here. I have 2 knives and a hammer, and a rubber mallet. I guess that's a weapon.
Okay.
And some stones I could throw. I'm not dangerous. I will keep my hands completely visible. I understand that this is a dodgy situation for you guys as well. I really do understand that, and I've never had to do this before, and I will never make this mistake again.
Okay.
I risk my life tonight by doing this, by following this guy back into this town. I'm trapped, and
okay, yeah, you got stuck in a.
If I got out of the car, I might be in danger.
Okay, yeah. Our officers are en route. It could be a minute. Can you still see those people?
Yeah, one of them popped. I can't believe this just happened. So glad I had.
How many are there?
So they just keep coming in and out. All of it. They're
Are they at a house or a building?
Yeah, there's a few houses back here that they kind of group up at. This looks like a f***ed up place, man. Like there's a sign that says kids and dogs very welcome. Like, and that's why I kept going. So I'm like, this is so messed up. I have to cure this place. And I got too much of an ego, and I got in over my head. I got in so far in over my head, and I shouldn't be in this random little town off the side of a highway in the middle of the mountains with a full moon. I shouldn't be doing this.
보름달이 얘기한 건 아까도 말했던 스킨워커, 즉 늑대인간 때문입니다. 평소에는 인간 모습인 늑대인간은 보름달이 뜨는 날에만 반인반수인 늑대인간으로 변신을 하니까요.
Okay.
Do you have any kind of ETA? So I can.
They are en route from the Empire area, so it's going to be a minute.
How long is a minute?
Okay.
Handle the truth. I'm going through a lot right now. I need the truth. Handle the truth. I'm ready to deal with what's happening.
Okay, give me just a second. I've got some radio traffic, okay? I'm still on the line. Alright, Christian, I'm sorry. I had some radio traffic. What kind of vehicle are you in so they can find you real quick? Hello? Christian, are you still there?
교환원이 잠시 경찰과 통화하는 사이에 그는 전화를 끊어버렸습니다. 마침 경찰이 도착한 상태였기 때문에 그리 걱정할 필요는 없겠네요.
Keep your windows down because we're here to help you. How about you step out of the vehicle? Step out of the car.
Hey, dude, we're here
Edward Queen 676, and it's going to be a property damage crash.
What's your name? Christian, I'm Tim. Dude, we need you to step out to figure out what's going on, okay? No, dude. We're not going to shoot you, but we need you to come here.
Do you need medical? Do you need medical, brother? Well, you said paramedic. You said you want a paramedic, so do you want medical?
No.
I don't either. Go get your sticks in case this goes mobile.
You got him for a second?
Guys, look, I can't go. Stop. Take the keys out of the car. Take the keys out of the ignition now. Take the keys out of the ignition. Put them on the dash. Step out of the car.
자신을 도와주러 온 경찰을 봤으면 차에서 내리고 덤불에 빠진 차를 꺼낼 생각을 해야 할 텐데 크리스 차는 이상하게도 나올 생각이 없어 보입니다. 혹시 계속해서 말했던 스킨워커가 무서웠을까요?
You already said you have weapons in the vehicle. Because you already said you have weapons in the car. No, do not throw them out. Do not touch them. Do not reach for them. I want you out of the vehicle now. Step out.
크리스 차는 무기를 창밖으로 버리겠다고 했지만 경관은 그러지 말라고 명령합니다. 이미 무전을 통해 칼과 망치, 장도리가 있다는 얘기를 들은 경관의 입장에선 우려할 만한 일이긴 하지만 차라리 더 안전하게 창밖으로 버리겠다면 좋지 않았을까 생각됩니다. 제가 왜 이런 생각을 하는지는 계속 이 바디캠 영상을 보신다면 알 수 있을 겁니다. 하여간 크리스 차는 계속해서 차에서 내리길 거부하고 경찰들과 대치 상황을 이룹니다.
116, party is not being cooperative and refusing to exit the vehicle.
이 무전을 듣게 된 911 상황실 교환원은 콜로라도주 경찰에 연락하여 지원을 요청합니다.
116, party is not being cooperative and refusing to exit the vehicle.
Car 116 Happy, 2356.
Colorado State Patrol, this is Derek.
Hey, this is Katie over at Clear Creek. I was wondering if you all had any troopers in, the west end of Clear Creek. We had a male call us stating he was stuck, and he was just kind of all over the place, saying he had a spiritual awakening and not making any sense. Officers got on scene. They are stating it's a property damage crash, and they said he's not being cooperative, won't exit the vehicle, and now they have him at gunpoint. If you guys have anybody available for emergent cover, that would be fantastic. Okay. And he does have weapons. He's got knives, mallets, and hammers. And I have a plate if you'd like it.
Yeah, what's that plate? Okay, I'll get this out. Thank you much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Yep, bye.
얼마 지나지 않았을 때 주 경찰이 도착하여 크리스 찬과 대화를 시도해 봅니다.
Will he roll down the window?
No, probably not. I mean, you could try, right? His name's Christian.
Christian?
Yep.
Hey, Christian? Will you talk to me? What can you tell me about what's going on? We're trying to help you out. Okay, I see that. I see you're being cooperative. So, the best way that you can help us out is just, by putting away anything that you may have on you, and then allowing us to talk to you outside of the vehicle. That would be the best situation for all of us right now. I see you're doing the heart thing with your hands. Look, we love you too. We just want you to be safe.
Christian, you don't have any guns or anything that scares us, right? Okay. You said on the phone, when you called us, you said on the phone that you had knives. Okay, are they big knives, little knives?
One's a OTF.
Okay. Alright. You don't have anything in there that's going to hurt us? And you don't want to hurt us? It's a big hard rock, but you don't want to break it either. Is that a special rock to you? What kind of crystal is it? Is it just quartz? Alright, man. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do here, but we'd like to get you out of here, get you some help, get you squared away.
Hey, Christian. Can you step out, man, so we could have the medics take a look at you for medical purposes? Can you just come and check out the ambulance? You want to do that? Can we do that?
We're going to walk away from you, all right?
Can you come out with me? I'll take you to the ambulance. Get you checked out. Can you unlock your car so we can help you? Please? Hey, I really don't want to have to break your window, man. Hey.
Come on out and talk to us.
Hey, open the door.
약 1시간 동안 어르고 달래보지만 이미 겁을 먹은 듯한 크리스찬은 문을 열어줄 생각이 없어 보입니다. 보통 이 정도라면 그냥 우리랑 장난을 치나 보다 생각하고 버리고 갈 수도 있겠지만 안에는 흉기로 생각할 수 있는 물건들이 있었기 때문에 다른 시민들의 안전을 생각하여 자리를 떠날 수가 없었습니다. 그리고 이때 한 경관이 무언가를 발견합니다.
Knife in his hand. Knife in his hand. Watch crossfire. Watch crossfire. You guys want to come on this side? We got two over there still. Do we just want to pop this now? Yeah.
61 at gunpoint.
Copy 1 at gunpoint. Emergency traffic only.
And 116, we can't just stage medics until we get this party to the road code for.
Copy, will do. Party focus on windshield. 2345.
116, I copy the wreck. Party is just being passive on the fly right now. He did ditch the knife that he had in his lap into the passenger seat. Just waiting on more cars and more hands. Go ahead. Yes, sir, since we have the time, we have approval for the force entry.
Yeah. If you've got more people coming, wait till you get hands and see if maybe 205 can get a report.
Copy.
205 on FD. The subject is complaining that he vomited at least once.
And this is becoming more of a negotiation situation to try and talk the party out and go with vehicles. So you can reach out to any responding people to the sirens before they get on the scene. Party's very paranoid.
Gilpin, this is Clear Creek. This is Gilpin. Yes, ma'am. Per my deputies on scene, they're asking to make sure any units en route kill their sirens before arriving on scene. This party's very paranoid. Copy, I'll let him know. 04.
116 party has a knife back in his hand and he's refused to put it back down. Just info for the medics. There is an empty pill bottle unknown in the car and party is kind of starting to go nodding.
Copy.
현장 상황은 순식간에 차갑게 식어버렸고 모두가 긴장을 하기 시작했습니다. 하지만 콜로라도 주경찰국에서 나온 나이가 많은 경관은 마지막으로 시도를 해봅니다.
Do me a favor, take that knife and lay it in the back seat for me. Okay, so you don't make us nervous. Alright, go ahead and do that for me, would you?
마지막으로 생각한 시도에도 크리스찬은 문을 열지 않았고 결국 경찰은 강제로 창문을 부수고 무기를 제거하고자 합니다. 더 이상 이 상황은 차량 사고가 문제가 아닌 무기 제거가 주된 일이 되어버린 셈이었죠. 방금 테이저건에서 전기가 통하는 소리를 들으셨을 겁니다. 창문을 깨자마자 경찰은 테이저건과 빈 백건을 이용하여 칼을 들고 있던 크리스찬을 제압하려 했던 겁니다. 참고로 빈 백건은 말 그대로 콩주머니를 탄으로 사용하는 비살상용 제압무기죠. 하지만 이미 패닉 상태가 찾아온 크리스찬은 그 칼로 경찰을 향해 휘두르기 시작하였고 결국 경찰은 그에게 실탄을 발사하게 됩니다.
116 shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired. West Rescue fire and any available medics for shots fired. West Rescue, please run emergent to the area for shots fired. Party down. Law enforcement on scene.
Person at 4, do you know if that seems clear for us to go in?
Can you repeat?
Do you know if the scene is clear for us to go in?
That's unknown at this time. I will try to find out. Stand by.
EMS 12 en route. Multiple GSWs to the chest, self-inflicted knife wound to the throat as well as the chest. Party's not going to win.
Copy.
사망을 하진 않았다는 무전을 들으셨겠지만 크리스찬은 이 총에 맞고 거의 10분도 채 지나지 않아서 사망하였습니다. 가슴에 5발, 오른팔에 1발을 맞았죠. 크리스찬은 22세의 지질학을 좋아하는 청년이었습니다. 그래서 차에는 취미로 즐기던 암석 채취용 망치와 작은 커터칼, 장도리를 싣고 다닌 것이었죠. 아까 통화에서도 들으셨던 그 크리스탈도 암석 채취를 해서 얻은 것이었습니다. 유가족의 말에 따르면 예전부터 크고 작은 정신질환을 알아왔던 크리스찬은 암석 채취에 취미를 붙이면서 꽤 많이 호전된 상태였습니다. 과대망상이나 우울증과 같은 정신질환들이었죠. 그래서 912 교환원에게 스킨워커나 보름달 얘기를 했던 것도 이와 같은 정신질환에서 나온 것들이었습니다. 하여간 다시 본론으로 돌아와서 보자면 상황이 이렇게까지 흘러오게 된 건 처음 이유는 제가 아까도 말씀드린 그 부분 때문이었습니다.
No, do not throw them out. Do not touch them. Do not reach.
만약 이 상황에서 그냥 칼이나 망치를 창문 밖으로 버렸다면 이렇게까지 상황이 악화되진 않았을 겁니다. 그래서 이렇게 버리지 말라고 명령했던 경관인 바디캠을 차고 있던 36세의 카일 굴드와 그의 파트너인 29세의 앤드류 부에는 각각 2급 과실치사로 체포 및 기소되었죠. 참고로 과실치사는 죽이려는 의도는 아니었지만 죽음에 이르게 한 것을 의미합니다. 한마디로 실수로 죽였다는 것이죠. 그리고 추가적인 혐의로 보자면 공무상 불법 행위와 무모한 위험 초래 혐의가 있었습니다. 만약 그 흉기들을 버리라고 했다면 이런 상황이 절대로 초래되지 않았을 거라는 대배심의 결정이 내려진 것이죠. 곧바로 둘은 경찰직에서 해고되었으며 처음에 그들은 이 모든 혐의에 대해 부정하였습니다. 흉기를 들고 휘둘러서 동료의 목숨이 위험했기 때문에 어쩔 수 없는 판단이었다고 하면서 말이죠. 그래서 재판이 열리기 전 검찰은 바디캠 영상과 다른 경찰들의 증언을 바탕으로 사건을 재구성하였고 그 결과 6발의 실탄은 모두 앤드류 부엔이 발사한 것으로 확인되었습니다. 그래서 결국 카일 굴드는 다른 혐의가 모두 취하되었고 몇몇 경범죄 혐의에 대해서만 유죄를 인정해서 집행유예 2년형을 선고받았습니다. 그리고 크리스찬에게 실탄을 발사한 부에는 바로 지난달인 4월 말에 재판을 받았습니다. 2급 살인, 공무상 불법행위, 무모한 초래 혐의로 말이죠. 그런데 그 결과는 무모한 위험 초래 혐의에 대해서만 유죄로 판결이 나왔습니다. 12명의 배심원 중 11명의 배심원은 모두 그가 살인에 대한 책임이 있다고 찬성하였지만 단 한 명은 아닌 것 같다며 끝까지 반대했기 때문이었죠. 그럼 무죄로 된 것이냐 라고 물으신다면 그건 아닙니다. 해당 혐의에 대해서는 배심원단의 만장일치 결정이 내려진 것이 아니기 때문에 재판이 무효화된 것이고 다시 날짜를 잡아서 2차 재판이 열리는 것이죠. 일단 재판 날짜는 아직 정해지지 않았고 배심원단을 심사하는 기간은 8월 12일부터 30일까지라고 하는군요. 그럼 제가 모니터링하고 있어야 할 사건이 하나 또 늘었네요. 이 사건도 주의 깊게 지켜보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 오늘 함께 하신 사건도 흥미로웠다면 구독으로 다음에도 함께 하셨으면 좋겠네요. 저는 쇼킹TV 통승이었습니다. 감사합니다.
George K. 5 George K. 496 Grand Rapids Hill, Williamsburg.